Hello friends, welcome to Testing Shala YouTube channel. In this video, I will be discussing about what are the various different types of software developers roles available in the market. So in this video, I will be discussing about 12 different types of developers which are working in the IT industry. So I'll be giving brief details about each developer role and what are the his primary job or his responsibility. For that, if you guys have not subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel till now, then please click on subscribe and bell icon so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. The first kind of developer is front-end developer. So whatever the front end which we use to access the application, which could be web application or it could be mobile application, that would be developed by front end developer. So this is the first type of developer who develops front end developer. His main goal is to ensure that he develops the user interface in such a way that it is having a very good user experience, and he ensure that all the protocols policies which are developed in the user experience guide ensures that the code which he has written should also works in across all the browser combinations. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, you name it, whatever the browsers which are available in the market, this code should work seamlessly across all the browsers. Even the user experience should work in seamlessly across all the browsers, all platforms. It could be desktop platforms or it could be Windows platforms or it could be mobile platforms. It could be any platform. Still, the user interface should work very seamlessly. That is the job of the front-end developers. The second type of developer is a back-end developer. So back-end developer or server-side developer. So basically his role is to completely define and develop server-side code. So server-side basically all the complex things which is happens in the application, right? So normally what front-end developer will do, let's say if you take an Amazon application, in the Amazon application, everything looks to be very simple. Just enter the product name, all the data is getting pulled from the database and it is going to display it on the front page. But after entering the query, it goes back to the server and it tries to do a lot of operations, application logic, everything it works. Then it pulls the data from the backend. Again, it put it in the format of an UI. The complete operation which is done at the server side is the person who takes care of that is backend developer or server side developer. Third type of developer is full stack developer. The full stack developer is nothing but is a mix of both front end and back end developer. Both front end and server side developer is having complete knowledge of handling both the part is known as a full stack developer. The fourth type of developer is a web developer. Web developer, it does basically developing or creating a new websites, and it can be a front-end developer or it can be back-end developer or it can be any kind of developer which is having knowledge in developing webs creation or website creation. Then that kind of developer is called as a web developer. The fifth type of developer is desktop developer. Basically this kind of developers who develops the code in the native languages of the operating system. So native languages of the operating system, if you are talking about any application, any desktop application which is being developed in the Windows platform, or it can be in iOS platform or Linux platform or Solaris platform. So that kind of developer is known as a desktop developer. Basically he makes use of all the native languages, native programming languages, native programming interfaces, and is going to implement and design or code the application to enhance that desktop application or that desktop operating system. So that kind of developer is called as a desktop developer. So sixth type of developer is mobile developer. These days, this kind of developer, there is a huge rush is there, huge demand is there. His goal is to implement mobile apps. His job is to implement mobile apps. Mobile apps can be from Android app or it can be from iOS platforms. So basically, his job is to ensure that he develops the overall application for the mobile platforms and to takes care of it could be UI or it could be backend, all the integrations as part of the mobile apps. So this kind of developer is called as a mobile app developer or a mobile developer. So seventh type of developer is a game developer. So this kind of developer who develops the complete games, especially these days, the games can be developed on the web or it could be on the mobile apps as well, right? So basically, you should have a complete knowledge on implementing a gaming application and you should have a complete interaction on the various third-party tools to operate a game and various technologies, various platforms where application, mobile app application of the game is being going to deploy. So eighth kind of developer is a data scientist. So these days for this kind of role, there is a lot of demand is there because for any application or any bigger application, a lot of data is been getting generated every day, right? Where companies are willing to do a detailed analysis of that data which has been logged in the system, and using that data, is there any way we can interpret the customer behavior, or is there any behavior we can extract from the transaction logs that would help them to give a better experience to the customers, back to the customers again, right? That is the overall process to manage the data, optimize the data, and translate that data into a useful information using artificial intelligence or a machine learning and so on. So that kind of developer is called as a data scientist. So ninth kind of developer is ETL developer or a ETL developer or a big data developer, because the data which we are going to transact these days in the system is a huge kind of data, right? The systems we have huge kind of data, or call it as a master data, warehouse data. We should be able to access that kind of big size data to ensure that we extract the data where we can transform it and we can put it in a different format. So 10th kind of developer is DevOps. So DevOps is the journey now everyone is taking and every organization is taking, and DevOps developer role plays very crucial, very critical in the organization. Basically, his job is to ensure that there should be a seamless in the development operation. It could be building the application or it could be deploying it. After deploying, you should be executing that. The 11th developer is embedded system developer. So these days, embedded things are there in every application. You talk about any IoTs, any devices. So devices, even in the car, we have so many devices. In the airplane, we have so many devices. So these devices are getting integrated into the software systems. So that is where the entire different operation between the device and to the software. So that is where this embedded developers coming into picture. So 12th type of developer is a security developer. So this kind of developer basically takes care of all the security aspects of the application. He ensures that there is no loophole, there is no gap, and he ensures that all the security protocols or security process are being perfectly followed and perfectly implemented in all the aspects, and he ensures that he runs all different kinds of tests to ensure that there is no security loopholes in the software application. That kind of developer is called as a security developer. I'm hoping this video was very useful for you. If you guys really enjoyed watching this video, then please give a thumbs up, so that all of it, please give a thumbs up. If you guys have visited our Testing Shala YouTube channel for the first time and not yet subscribed to Testing Shala YouTube channel, then please click on subscribe and bell icon, so that all our future videos will be in your inbox as and when we publish our new videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now. Take care.